Remember, I told you the people standing next to the chalkboard that once you write, you've bought 5 bananas, everyone writes. So everyone standing next to the chalkboard is paid to write that. And that is what we call mining. So when it comes to Pi network, your mining is just you appearing and pressing a button, because the Pi network system in itself used, quote unquote, their own robots. For lack of a better word, just for understanding, there's a robot standing at the virtual market waiting for someone to buy a virtual banana or mango, and our robots automatically write on our behalf. The only thing I need to do is to wake up every day and click that button that say, robot, go mine for me. And the robot will stand there the whole day. If someone buys a banana, the robot will write for me. If someone buys a mango, the robot will write for me. And each and every one of us has that robot on our phone called the Pi Network app. And that is basically what mining and blockchain is in a nutshell.